Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question on less than 500 rating, which is 4 tickets. So there is a 4 friends want to attend a concert. Each ticket cost X rupees. They decided to go to the concert if and only if the total cost of ticket does not exceed 1000 rupees. Okay, so there is a 4 friend and they decided to attend the concert. Okay, and they have decided that if the cost of ticket is more than 1000, then they will not attend the concert. Okay, so you just have to determine whether they are able to attend the concert or not. Okay, so of course no, ticket does not exceed more than 1000 collectively. Okay, so the total cost, so you just have to check whether they are able to go in a ticket in a concert or not. So let's suppose there is given a four test cases, 100 and 500. So they are yes and this is no. Why so? Because so the total cost should be not greater than total cost of ticket should not be greater than 1000, then they will able to go in concert. Okay, so how can you do this? First you have to check 100 into 4, which is 400. Okay, 400 is greater than 1000. No, so they will be able to go in concert. Okay, because why we have multiplied with the 4? Because the total number of students or friends is 4, so you just have to multiply it to find the total cost of a ticket. In the same way, if 500 is there and for 4 friends, the total cost will be 2000. Okay, so is 2000 is greater than 1000? Of course yes, so they are not able to go in concert, so you just have to print no. You just have to check whether it is greater than 1000 or not. You just have to check. Okay, you just have to check. If it is, then you just have to print yes, and if it is not, then you just have to print no. Okay, so let's do this. First you have to take the number of test cases into t, while c in t, while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to check int, then you just have to take int x, which is c in x. You just have to first you have to do int answer. You just have to store answer, which is x into 4. Okay, and then you just have to check if answer is greater than 1000. If it is greater than 1000, then you just have to do no, else cout yes. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, I have to do endl here. I haven't done the endl, which will print the output in a different line. So let's again run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.